Hello everyone, so today I'm here with these different options of clutches, purses, pouches in hand block prints. So let's start with these small purses, easy to carry in your bags, and you can keep all your secretive money in it. So these are three different options in plain. Then we have four different options in printed. These are just for 100 rupees. Then we have little bit bigger size in it, and these are different prints. So one, I'll open it for you. So it has this much of sufficient space. One is this in gray combination, mustard yellow, black, maroon, then different shades of blue, mustard yellow in a leaf print. So these are different options in these pouches. Then little bit bigger in size, we have these different pouches in ajrak prints. So these are like have one extra zip inside like this. So these are on ajrak with piping borders on their sides. These are the different prints in it. These are also for 150 each. Then we move on to the different options we have for your specs, goggle sets, we can say. That can be used. I'll open one for you. It's like this. Even you can use it as a cutlery set for your husband tiffin box. It has sufficient space to keep one spoon, forks, knife and all this. As well you can use for the goggles and your specs. So we have so many options in it. I'll show you all the options. Different prints in it. This is the black combination. Then little bit of dull grey. Pinkish stripes. Mustard yellow. These two different options in mustard yellow. Grey. Yellow. These two different combinations in red. Polka dots. This is grey. Dabu. So these are different prints options available in these. These are just for 150 each. Then we have pen pencil pouches also for kids. This much of sizes. And one single zip. And easy to carry like this. This is for 150 each. These are the different print options we are having in it. Then if I'll talk about the sling bags. So this is the first option we are having. It's like this. It has a side belt. And sufficient space to put your small pocket purse, wallet. So this is something like your sling bags like this. And we are having so many options, print options in it. Mustard yellow, red, kalamgari prints. It's a peach color, indigo, and the black zigzags. and again the mustard yellow combination. So these are the different options. Then I'll show you the sling bags in a different style. These are like this. It has one zip, a small pocket inside. This one. Then we have so many different prints in it. I'll show you. This is green. Then it's a light cream and maroon strips. Beautiful blue and black combination. It's a green color, indigo, and a very light skin color with combinations of maroon booties. So these are the different options in these sling bags, and these are for 450 each. Then I'll move on to these different pouches. These are travel pouches, you can see, and these are the sets of 3. This is the smaller one, 2 and 3. So these are the different 3 sizes, and you can keep your stuffs, mobile accessories, your makeup kit, your jewelry. You can use in a different way, the way you want to. So it's a set of 3 for 650 each. So these are the different combinations we are having in it. Then one is in mustard. You will get mustard color in every set because it's one of my favorite and I love to choose this color. Then in the same sets, a set of 3 but in a different pattern, we are having these 3. 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 different options in the 3 set bags. This one is also for 650. Then we are having 3 different prints in it. One is in this blue, then it's in black. In the same 3 shades, set of 3, we have one more last piece left with us. It's on ajrak and it's very soft. It's don't have any paper canvas inside, so it's very soft. So it's also in the set of 3 for 650 for this set. Then these are different options in the sling bags we are having. I'll show you one by one. These are the sling bags. You can see. So these are also for just 450 each. We are having so many prints in it. I'll show you one by one. It's kalamkari, then a combination of navy blue with green. It's a royal blue color, light shade of royal blue color. It's a peach and red combination. Then it's a light mehndi green color combination. Then it's of gray color combination. So these are the different options we are having in clutches. Then this is something very different and very useful. It's a paper bag box. Okay, so you can fold it like this and within a second it become a box, a paper box. So we are having, this is for 400. We are having 3 different prints in it. This is mehndi green color, fish print on black color, and a kalamkari print. So we are having 4 options in the paper box. Then one of my favorite thing I just want to show you everyone. This is our yoga bag. So you can see I have put my yoga mat inside it. and it's very easy to carry. Like I can carry it very easily like this. Even if you're traveling on two-wheeler, easy to carry. You can put it in front like this, so there won't be any problem. And it's for 950 without yoga mat. Let me clear you. And we are having 3-4 more different prints in it. In yoga mats cover, this is one print. Then we have everybody's favorite indigo, and it's on gray combination. So these are the yoga mat covers available on Hand Blocks Prints with us for 950 each. You can order as per your requirements, as per your choices. And last but not the least, I want to show you something very different. We just got the sample of this. It's a hand woven bag by one of our NGO friends. I'll just love to show you. It's a very beautiful, smart piece. Sufficient space is there, so you can carry your things for your daily shopping needs and all this. And this is for 950 only. So if you want some more combination in it, we can customize for you. Hope you like the collection. Thanks for watching.